Boo. Today, tomorrow, tonight, today, tomorrow, today, whatever. What are you doing there? He's practicing your wheelies there, Noah. He's crackers, that kid. Right, anyway. So, if you watched our videos before, Noah's went way faster than Jack's, didn't it?
Yeah.
So, and then we put and then Noah knackered his gearbox, didn't he? So then we put this one on. But then, when we put this one on Noah's bike, what happened?
Went way faster.
No, at the start, didn't it? It just started to try to wheelie and stuff, didn't it? Because it's got a little cog on the front, so what we're going to do, we're going to swap them over. No. So Jack has that what? No. He just tried to wheelie all the time, did it? All day. That's because it had a little cog up front, so it has more torque at the beginning. So we're going to put this on Jack's bike now, see how that goes, and that one on Noah's. And then we're going to do another test later on, and we're going to put, where's that other, the cog? Get the cog. We're going to try that on Jack's, see if that goes any better on Jack's. And if you look, all the cogs are different sizes, look. So this one was on Noah's at first, so it meant it had more top end, it was slower takeoff, but it'd go faster in the long run, yeah? And then when you get that means it goes faster at the start, but slower on top end, yeah? So this will be perfect for you trying your wheelies out, Jack. Huh? Right? And then if he's not happy with that, we're gonna just play around with the gearing. So we're going to put this on Jack's for today, this one on Noah's, and then if they don't like that, we're going to, like I say, play along with the gearing. So come on then, stick them on. Ring, ding, 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 ding. Go on then. Buggalogs, triple. Cheeseburger and chips, please. Go on then, Jack. Go on then, press it. Right, go on, next. Next. Voila! Well, trip caught short. Farmers ploughed a field over now, putting all crap in it. So, this one hasn't been ploughed, so we're just going to have a little blast around here, see how it gears out the bike. What's your bike feel like?
Good, better, way faster.
Does it way better? What's your bike feel like?
Yeah.
It feels like, yeah. Right, we can't go on that field because farmers ploughed it, or just dragging shit, the poop in it. So we're just going to go down this bottom bit here, and you can go across there for a bit and test your bikes out, yeah? Then we're going to have to go somewhere else next time, yeah? Okay, let's go. And they're off. A nephew and 2 sons. Like a tractor. There's Jack with a different gear on it. Does it go better? Does it go better? Does it go better now? Yeah. Go on then. Levi, I've just stuck him in second gear up monkey bike to plod along nice and slowly. How's it going, Tina? How's it going? Good.
My back wheel feels weird on the wheel like that way over there. That wheel sounded like a...
Hey, it's alright, don't worry about it. There's Jack. Right, Jack, try and do a wheelie now. Try and do a wheelie. Do a wheelie. Higher geared. Go on, do it again. Told you higher geared. Go on then. Do you want your starting light, son?
Yeah.
And they're off. We'll have a play around with gears some more, see which suits them best. Jack. Thank you, Mr. Farmer. You made these kids very, very happy. I'll leave it. My nephew's nicked the monkey bike. I'm just stood here like a spare part. Keep your feet up! Keep your feet up! Great tuft of grass hanging out at the back. Go steady on that throttle on that one, Levi. Is it loads better now, Jack, yeah? Is it better? Do you like that one, yeah? Right. Got to say, yesterday when we were coming out, when we first started video, Jack was pissing petrol. These mini motors are terrible. Well, the crap. So I had to put a brand new carb on that I had in garage, but it's up and running now. Change gears and Bob's your uncle's fanny's your aunt. Ching ching. Right, here, do you want to swap bikes? You have a go at Noah's? Right, they've swapped. What's that go like? What's that go like?
Fast.
Eh? Fast? Oh, no, what's he doing? Come on! Reprobate, look at him. What is that kid doing? Go on then, go get him. Go on, Jack. Go get him! Meow. Next for him is to change gears. Jack loving it. Go on, son. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Right, till next time. Anyway, we'll mess about with the gears some more, see what suits them. But for now, it's ciao. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye.